Hello dear students, welcome to Axiomaticos. This video is the part of the solution series for IIT JAM 2020. We are here with this problem 19 of your paper. This is a problem from linear algebra, so let us firstly have a look. Let M be a real 6 cross 6 matrix and 2 and minus 1 be the two eigenvalues of M. If m to the power 5 is given by ai plus bm, where a comma b belongs to R, then what you have to do, you have to find out the values for a and b. Alright, so I will be using one note here. What is that note? It's very simple. Let us say if you have a polynomial, so let us say you have a polynomial px is a polynomial, all right, and you have a n cross n matrix capital A. So this note actually suggests that if lambda is eigenvalue of A, which is a n cross n matrix, all right, then eigenvalue of P of lambda will be, sorry, I should write P of A. Eigenvalue of P of A will be P of lambda. What it actually suggests us that if lambda is the eigenvalue of A, then the eigenvalue of this matrix P of A will be P of lambda. Now in your case, what is your P of A? Your P of A is like this, sorry, P of X is like this, x to the power 5 minus bx minus A. So if you will find out your P of M, you will get this, okay, you will get this m to the power 5 minus bm minus A identity, and it's given to you in the question that it's actually equal to 0 also. Alright, so these are the things that you're given with. Now what is the eigenvalue for M? Eigenvalue for the M are 2 and minus 1. What you have to do, you have to find out the value for A and B. Now from this equation we can write like this, Bm plus Ai. So according to the note, what will be the eigenvalue for this polynomial P of M? What will be the eigenvalue? Eigenvalue will be P of lambda. What is lambda? It's 2. Let us consider this case when lambda is 2. When lambda is 2, eigenvalue for m to the power 5, or let us say just use this equation, all right. So what will be the eigenvalue for P of M? Eigenvalue will be P of 2, that is, I should write P of 2 here, P of 2, that is 2 to the power 5 minus b dot 2 minus A. Alright, now what will be the eigenvalue if lambda is minus 1? It will be P of minus 1. What it is? It is minus 1 to the power 5 minus b dot minus 1 minus A. Now from this equation we can find out a relation in between A and B, which is like this, 2b plus A is actually equal to 32 from this equation. From this equation you can see B minus A is actually equal to minus 1. No, sorry, plus 1. Yeah, plus 1. Now see, you can add these equation in order to cancel out this A, so you will get 3b but is equal to 33. So B will be 11 just. So if B is 11, using this equation what you can do, you can find out your A as 10. Alright. So what I used just this note that if lambda is an eigenvalue of A, then eigenvalue of P of A will be P lambda. In your case, what is your polynomial? Your polynomial is this. So P of M will be like this. Now since you know the eigenvalues for M, that means you know the eigenvalue for this matrix. Now using this principle, we just used these two things, and using these two things we got two conditions in A and B, and finally we got that B is 11 and A is 10. That means A is your correct option. All right. So now let us mark. A is correct, B is incorrect, C is incorrect, and D is incorrect. So this is how we can actually solve it. So thank you.